Yeah, I'm selling my Ryobi 2200 watt inverter generator. What the inverter means is it's going to be really quiet compared to just your standard job site ready generators. A couple of features that this one has that some of the more expensive ones don't have, like the Honda and the Yamaha. It's got a telescoping handle, wheels in the back, very easy to carry. Portability wise, this one weighs 50 pounds compared to my new one. The Honda 3000 weighs 135 pounds. The Ryobi's only had 2 tanks of gas through it. It's got the parallel cord adapter capabilities where you can hook 2 of them together and get 4400 watts. It's got a jack where you can hook a 12-volt line in. I have the cord for it. Hook it straight to batteries and charge them. One nice feature, if it ever does go into overload, it's just a 1-button reset, and you can get your power back. Some other models, so you have to unplug, turn it off, flip switch, start it back up. This one will continue running. Just hit the reset switch and it goes back. One feature has got the auto idle. Some of them call it economy mode. Auto idle on, it'll only use the amount of power that it needs, so you're not listening to the generator at full blast all the time. Just a quick little run around. Let you hear it start up. It's never failed me to start up. Usually cranks on the first or second pull. It's very quiet. You can tell I'm just still speaking at my regular voice, about 4 feet away. You would not be able to do this with a job site. Just a standard noisy generator. Back up just a little bit. You're about 10 feet away. If you separate yourself between something, you may not even be able to hear it. You might hear birds in the background, car traffic. It's very, very quiet. In comparison, the Honda 3000, let's listen to it. The Honda 3000 is the quietest generator on the market. It's very quiet. Turn it off and I'll start the Ryobi again. Tell not a huge difference, but there is a little bit of difference. Price wise, you can buy 2 of the Ryobi 2200s for the same price as one Honda 2000. Parallel them together and you have more than the Honda 3000 for a quarter of the price or less.